This video shows you how easy it is to install a new derby cover on your 111 or 116 bike. So the first thing you want to do is carefully pry off with a screwdriver the metal medallion that covers up a couple screws. Do it very carefully because you may want to use this again. Now that you've removed the metal medallion, which was held on with double stick tape, you want to remove the 4 screws that actually holds the derby cover on. There's no oil leaks or anything behind it. It's just a cover plate and it comes right off easily. The derby cover has a rubber plate on the back. Reuse that on the new derby cover. Just place it on there so the bolts can get through to the holes. Hold it in place, and then you just got to fumble around until you get the screws to go in the holes. Make the bolts snug enough that it just compresses the rubber a little bit, and that will keep it from falling off. The final step is to place the 2 little chrome caps that just fill the screw heads and make it look more finished. Now, as a free bonus, you can take that medallion and bend it slightly, use some new double stick tape, and place it on your bike someplace where it might look good. If you'd like to get one of these, they're available at indianaftermarket.com. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.